Guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one best website. You can claim your free cryptocurrency from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and let's get started. Okay, this is the website. This website link available in description. You can see this website pay much more cryptocurrency for a lot of people around of this world, and this website link available in description. The sign up is very easy. Just click get started. Just put your username, email, password, and confirm password. Just click this one and just solve a capture and just click get started. This website is very easy to making account. I have already account. Just I click the login to show you this website, how this website work. Right now I'm in my website, and you can see having my account, and this is the lot of people, high users from the all of the country around of this world, and you can see from India, Pakistan, Brazil, a lot of countries. Sorry, no, Brazil is Denmark, Turkey, like that. Okay, it's too easy to earn much more cryptocurrency. The first way is a faucet. You just click a faucet. You can solve a capture. You can easily make much more cryptocurrency pay you in your balance. Okay, you can see this already. Every 5 minutes pay you show you some advertisement. Every 5 minutes pay you 50 coins, and under time claim per day it will be 5,000 coins. Just solve a capture is a cat called fox, and just click the get reward. Okay, you can see this website pay me my balance to my add it to my balance in Happy New Year, show you your balance. And the next way is a hover walls. You can complete hover, but this will be level 10. If you complete level 10 you can complete it. Okay, the next way is a short links. You complete short links, 60 short links, and you can earn this much coin if you complete all of the short links and this much energy. The next way earning is turbid faucet. This faucet need energy. Okay, if you have energy, no energy I have, you can claim 10 coin. Okay, for every energy you have. Unlimited time claim per day. This will be is too easy to claim. Okay, and the next way is a PTC hats. The PTC hats another best way you can claim, but right now this website have a one advertisement. Why? Because it's a brand new website about that. This website didn't have a much more advertisement. Okay, just after watching, just solve a capture and just click verify, and you can see this website pay me money into my balance. The next way is a mining, but I didn't use mining. If you want to use with your own risk. The next way is a task. You complete this 2 tasks, you can get much more things. You can see you can make a video, promote your YouTube channel, and you can see this much coins. This will be added. This will be maybe $1. Okay, you can, after uploading, just click upload and submit, and you can see you earn it. Okay, and the next way is a weekly contest. This referral contest. A lot of people join this referral contest, making much more amount. You can see 6 referral, you have this much amount, and this is another people to making amount from referral. The next contest is a active contest. Active contests have a much more to people around of the world. And the next way is a short links. You can see a lot of people making short links contest and making much more money, and after 1 week and 2 days this will be paid their amount. And the next way is a faucet contest, and you can see a lot of people making faucet. And that's it, guys. This website link available in description. Click the link and come here, join yourself, and you can easily make cryptocurrency from this website. After I just make much more amount, I just share with you the withdrawal proof. Okay, this is the all cryptocurrency this website pay, and the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 coin. I have received 1,000 coin. I'll be sharing with you the withdrawal proof of this website. Did this website pay me or not? Okay, and thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and bye bye for now.